Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use lesson collections. The lesson collections page is where you can find pre-made theme-based collections made from different lessons on the site. So let's get started. Once you have logged in, click everything at the top and click Collections from the menu. Once on the collections page, you'll see a variety of collections that you can browse through. You can change how these are viewed in the top right corner. Use the headings at the top to find the subject for each category. Once you have found the collection that suits your interest, click it. Once inside a lesson collection, you can use the filters at the top to further narrow down your results. You can change how the results are sorted, and you can change how they are displayed. To the left, you can click into a subcategory to further narrow down your results. You can click on a lesson or resource to see it further. If it's a lesson, you can view it beforehand by clicking Launch Tasks or Open PDF, or you can assign it right away to your class by clicking Add to Class in the top right corner. Use Ellii collections to see what's new on Ellii, teach everyday topics, find content for CLB competencies, and much more. That's it for this video on how to use lesson collections. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.